Everyone loves a good story, especially one about someone who shaped the way we see the world. That's exactly what you'll find when you dig into the roots of Doc's diesel. So just who was Doc, and how did he inspire a brand that's become a go-to for diesel enthusiasts all around the world? Stick around, because today we're peeling back the layers and sharing the story of how Doc's diesel came to be and why it's changing the game for diesel truck owners everywhere. Doc's diesel was founded in 2020 with one clear mission: to take care of diesel truck owners like family. The story begins right here in the heart of the Midwest. Founded in a small town in Ohio, the crew at Doc's is proud to say that over the last 4 years, they've taken care of folks in all 50 states, added some new team members, and ultimately grown to be a household name in the world of diesel maintenance. You don't have to look very far to find someone who has experience with the brand. They've come a long way, from an idea in a garage to a brand new warehouse and office space here in 2025 to continue to help you meet your needs, save some money, and take care of your truck. Let's face it, last few years have been anything but easy on anyone. Inflation has been relentless, pushing up the cost of everything from groceries to diesel fuel. And for diesel truck owners, this rising cost of maintenance and parts has been especially tough. Oil changes, fuel filters, air filters are all part of keeping your truck on the road, but when the prices keep climbing, it forces hardworking people, farmers, truckers, contractors, landscapers, fleet owners, and more, to make difficult choices. Maintaining a profitable business the last few years has been anything but easy, and sometimes maintenance is the first thing to get neglected, unfortunately, which is tough. At the same time, big name brands and OEM manufacturers don't seem interested in offering solutions to this growing problem. Parts prices have gone up, not down. Part availability has gotten incredibly scarce, and the quality hasn't changed at all. Customers are paying more and getting less, and that just didn't sit right with the folks at Doc's Diesel. They knew the diesel community deserved better, and as the old adage says, they decided to be the change they wanted to see in the world. Fundamentally, that's where the idea of Doc's would be born. The goal was simple: provide high quality filters and parts that perform just as well or even better than OEM products, but at a price that actually made sense for the everyday gal or guy. Now, from the start, the mission was to help diesel truck owners put more money back in their pockets without sacrificing the performance or reliability that their trucks depended on. What makes this story even better, though, is that Doc's Diesel isn't some gigantic corporation looking to capitalize on a trend or pretending to be something that they're not. They're a small, tight-knit team of diesel enthusiasts who live and breathe this lifestyle. They know what it's like to rely on their truck every single day, just like you do, whether it's for work, for play, or just for getting through life, because just like you and I, they do it too. And here's the thing: they didn't just want to sell parts, they wanted to raise the standard. That's why their filters are third-party tested. It's more than just marketing talk or some fancy tagline. These guys really walk the walk here. Third-party testing means that they send their filters off to independent labs to put them through their paces. And through this rigorous evaluation, they ensure they meet or exceed OEM specs, which is really long-winded, but it's a fancy way of saying when you buy a filter from Doc's Diesel, you know it's been proven to perform at the level that your manufacturer intended. For the team at Doc's Diesel, it's personal. They don't have warehouses all over the world or endless layers of corporate red tape and garbage. Instead, they focus on what matters: making high-quality products and treating their customers like family. And for Doc's Diesel's founder, Max, it all started with a little inspiration from his grandpa, Doc. Now, according to Max, when I talked to him, Grandpa Doc was an entrepreneurial spirit that changed the trajectory of his family forever. He was the kind of man who believed in hard work, big ideas, and taking care of people the right way every time. And over the years, Doc would wear a lot of hats. He started farming, and then he moved into the dump truck business and did that for a while. And then he owned a Ford dealership before he eventually found his stride in the auto parts world, where his passion and his work ethic would truly shine. Although he unfortunately passed away when Max was just a child, the time they had together left a mark on him for sure. That's why when Max founded Doc's Diesel, the goal was simple: to bring Grandpa Doc's principles into the 21st century, to carry forward his love for people and his dedication for quality, and most importantly, his entrepreneurial spirit. It's that core philosophy that continues to drive Doc's Diesel forward, not only today, but every single day. When you shop with Doc's Diesel, you're not just buying a filter, you're supporting real people, right? These are the folks who answer your questions, who test and retest their products to make sure it's the right thing to do, and who are dedicated to making sure every customer feels valued. They've built their business on values like honesty, quality, and trust, and those values shine through in everything they do. When you call them, you get a real person When you send a message to their social pages, you get a real person. Let's zoom out for a second and look at the bigger picture here though. The truth is, we've all been feeling the pinch lately. Everything costs more, and it seems like there's really no end in sight. For diesel truck owners, this can mean stretching oil change intervals, settling for lower quality parts, or even delaying necessary maintenance, which is pretty bad. You don't want to do that. Dox Diesel exists to change that narrative, right? They're here to make maintaining your truck more affordable for you every single time. By offering high quality filters at competitive prices, they're putting money back where it belongs, in your wallet and not in the hands of a big corporation. And they're proving to you that you don't have to sacrifice quality to save a few dollars. Again, it all goes back to that original idea, taking care of diesel truck owners like a family. Dox Diesel is proof that a small team of passionate people can make a big difference in the world. They've shown that with the right values and a commitment to quality, it's possible to offer better products at better prices, period. When you choose Dox Diesel, you're choosing reliability, performance, and a company that genuinely cares about the diesel community. You're supporting a small business that's working hard to do things the right way, even if it's not the most profitable. If you're ready to save a few bucks, protect your truck, and support a team that's just as passionate about diesel as you are, you're gonna wanna head on over to doxdiesel.com today. Whether you're looking for oil filters, fuel filters, or just peace of mind, they're gonna have you covered. And hey, if you've got a story about how Dox Diesel made a difference for you, drop it in the comments down below. We'd love to hear it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, stories, and just awesome advice for keeping your diesel truck running strong. I'm Dusty LBZ, and with that, we'll see you on the next one.